everyone, welcome to PC and Android Tricks. Now in this video I show you how to enable God mode for your Windows 10 to enable lot of features in your laptops or PC in Windows 10. So there are very simple method to enable God mode. First, in your desktop, right click, then create a new folder. Okay, I create a new folder and rename it with this code. I have a God mode code. I give this code in description. You also get this code in description. So I copy this code here, copy, and then I paste this code in folder rename this folder and paste the code and hit enter. And show God mode is enabled in our PC. Here when I open this God mode, here lots of features for our Windows like administration tool, clear disk space and deleting unnecessary files, create and format hard disk partitions, edit group policy, set SCSI initiator, view event log, view local services, and also enable backup features and change advanced color management setting. There are lots of features enabled in your system like turn on screensaver or off, add or remove program, uninstall and install a program, change date times. They are short trick. Okay. Fix auto playback problem, blue screen problem, troubleshooting, and user accounts option is enabled. Okay, Windows Defender, firewall, all are including God mode. So manage storage space. I hope you understand how to enable God mode in your PC for enable lots of features in your Windows 10. If you like, please like video and press subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.